This is Victoria from Nanjing GS Mesh Extrusion Equipment Corporation. Today we are going to make a video about how to install the twin scroll sheet extruder line. After the machine arrived at customer's plant, how to install for each part. So together, let's take a look. You can see our twin scroll sheet extruder is very high. It's around 2.8 meters. But in the 40 feet high cube, for this holder, the four holder will be disassembled. So you will take the scroll of each one. This is one, and this also to disassemble the scroll. It's very simple operation. There are four kinds of holder, the bracelet. And the second part will be the twin scroll metering feeder. This one will be disassembled. So you are going to make it on the machine once arrived at your plant. And here, this is the pipe. The pipe will need to connect it with the water tank. In the machine, we will mark each pipe. For example, one and one, so it will be connected together. This and until these two pipes. And then here comes for this pipe. This for the vacuum barrel, and this is connected here for the vacuum tank. So you must need to know must connect each other. And then here you can see there is a hydraulic station for the screen exchanger. So each pipes will come through here to the screen exchanger. You will need to make them connect each other. And this one we are also going to disassemble. So for this die head mode, it will be disassembled. So connect in this part with the screw. And here, this is the 3-roller calendar system. You can see the three kind of pipes will get through with the chiller. This is the chiller. For this chiller, customer need to prepare one in factory, and these pipes will also need to be prepared by customer selves. We don't provide the chiller in this line. And here, this is a hydraulic station. These pipes also are going to be connected with the 3-roll calendar devices. For all these cable and wires, it will be connected here. Yes. And for this trimming edge devices, it will also have the wire together. And this is the oil coating device. Connect together with the air pump. With the air pump. And for this softer pipe, it will be connected in this part here. And for the electrical cabinet, we will give the we will mark each one for you to connect each other in the detailed layout picture.